guys, Brittany and Parker here from Dine.
Hello, and today we're at SeaWorld San Antonio for Catapult Falls.
Yes, all new log flume, first of its kind. We're so excited. It's past member previews today, so we're gonna go get a preview.
Yeah, and it's her favorite kind of ride, log flume, so we are very excited.
Yes, we're super excited. It's got a launch, an elevator lift, all of these like innovative, cool things for a log flume, and I can't wait.
And for San Antonio.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Here we go. The first launching log flume. The launch is behind us. I think a boat's coming. Oh, look at this.
Cool.
There's a theme we were wanting. I love the water.
I know.
Oh, there's geysers?
Geyser Gulch. Warning, geysers erupt at random intervals.
Oh, you know what that means. We're gonna get hit. I think we made it.
We're good.
We made it. And now the launch.
Yeah! Here we go!
Oh! Yes! Oh, we're about to get drenched. Here we go. Oh, no!
Oh! Okay, that wasn't too bad.
Not too bad. Just enough though, right?
Oh my gosh,
Yeah, it's a beautiful day.
It's true.
But not enough to get drenched.
No.
I like the rocks.
This is very peaceful.
Yeah.
This is nice.
Here it is.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is so cool.
That bumper makes me feel a little more safe. I like
Okay,
that.
that's good.
I like that there's a bumper.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Wait, I don't think that goes up with us. Is the elevator lift hill about to be a drop tower for us?
Stop!
Oh, here we go.
Here we go. I'm scared.
Wow.
Okay. Oh no.
Oh, not bad at all.
Not too wet. No, that's not bad.
Excellent. So what'd you think?
Amazing. Let's go
It was
again.
great. Yeah, let's do it again. Oh boy. Oh! You can see the conveyors. The belts. Oh, here we go! Oh! Oh!
Oh my god, it's cold out here.
It's cold.
Oh my goodness.
Here we go, my dear.
Got a little more wet the second time.
We did.
But still not
Heavier
bad.
boat.
It
Since
wasn't,
there were other
yeah,
people.
we had other people.
Yeah.
So I think maybe the heavier the boat, the more wet you get. I also think
Yeah.
the further back you sit, the wetter you get.
Definitely.
But incredible ride. Like this is the best
perfect.
new addition that I could ever come up with for SeaWorld.
Yeah, right? I mean, it's so
Perfect
perfect for
for me.
SeaWorld San Antonio. And,
Yes.
you know, I know that there were some reservations about, like, the theming.
Yeah.
I think it's definitely enough theming.
It is. I mean,
Could it take more? Sure.
sure. We'll
I mean, what-
always welcome more
Yeah,
theming.
right?
an interactive queue, like I'll take
Yeah.
it. But you know what? It's cool.
A tunnel, you know, whatever.
It's San Antonio themed.
Yes.
I
I love
liked
that.
it. Yeah.
Yeah.
I really liked it. They did
All
a
the
great
little
job.
touches, the signs everywhere, the rock,
Yes.
the weather rock.
Yes, that was
Oh,
so
so
funny.
funny.
I loved it.
Yeah.
So perfect. You have to come out and check it out. It's the first of its kind,
Yeah.
and it does not disappoint.
Yeah,
It's amazing.
the launch, you at first you're like, this is okay, and then it takes off. It does
Yeah.
actually give it a little oomph.
It
I'm not
does.
sure if it's going to reflect in the video, but it's there.
It's there.
Yeah. Oh, what did she find?
Look, we've got some Catapult Falls merch. I like this opening day shirt. Is this nerdy? Should I buy this? I like it. And of course, mugs. This is cute. All right, I'm leaning into it and I'm getting it.
There you go.
Go stand over there, Parker. Get splashed.
All right, do I just accept my fate?
Do it.
You have to join me.
Sure.
Come over here.
I'll
Come
stand
over here.
with you.
Come over here. What are you doing? Where are you going?
No, I never hold your hand.
Oh boy, here we go. Oh no! Oh! Oh my God! Well then, great.
I chickened out at the last minute.
My shoe.
You are soaked.
All right.
What a
still
great
loved
day. So Parker just got soaked in the Texas splashdown zone, and we just realized that's a nod to the old log
little
flume.
nod.
Yeah, it was
I
called
see.
the Texas
Love it.
splashdown.
Yeah.
So that's really cool and cute. I love that they did that little Easter egg there.
No, no, no. Well, that was great.
Yes, Catapult Falls,
Yeah.
amazing. But there's also a new tortoise exhibit.
we
here
haven't
at
seen it
SeaWorld.
yet.
Yes.
Yeah.
And the Mardi Gras Festival is still going on.
Which we haven't done either this year, that
yeah.
is.
So we're going to go check those out now, too.
Yeah. A Mardi Gras booth. What do you think? Is there something here?
I don't know. What?
Cajun mac and cheese. And it's new. The whole thing's new.
Yeah.
Well, let's at least get the Cajun mac and cheese.
All right.
My God.
The Cajun mac and cheese and the King cinnamon roll, right?
I don't know how much sampling we're going to be doing.
I know. That's a whole meal. What do you think?
This is great.
It's really good.
Yes. Yeah, it is. There's
definitely has
sausage
a-
and chicken in it.
Yeah. And some peppers and onions. It definitely has a Cajun taste. It's
is
really
very
good.
clever.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. Well, this is magical.
It's so cute.
No matter what, I love it.
Even if it tastes bad, I love it.
Yes. The center of the roll.
Good news. It's not bad.
Delicious. And then, boom. The exhibit's right here for the tortoise. Tortoises?
Tortoises.
Tortoises.
Tortai.
Tortai? Tortoises. It says it right there.
Aldabra tortoises.
It's a pretty big exhibit. And I guess they have 5?
6.
6.
I think they have 6. Or maybe 5. I don't know now.
But two younger ones, only 30. 30 is not old.
No.
No, in your
Said, are those
30s.
babies? And he was like, well, they're mid-30s. I was like, that's young.
That's young. 30's still young.
30's young.
But yeah, a nice little waterfall. But it's funny to see how big they can get.
Oh my gosh, yeah, and they can live to be 150. That's insane.
That'd be nice. Maybe it wouldn't be. All right, moving on. Here's another booth. Let's see what they got. Okay, that's a big list. What are we doing?
It's a surprise.
It's a surprise. Okay, all right.
Yeah.
What were you thinking?
I don't know.
Too much food.
It's never too much food.
All right, how was the first bite?
This is really good.
Is it really?
Yeah, I'm like serious. This is one of the best things we've ever had here.
No way.
For
7
real.
C's.
For real.
Oh my goodness.
If this thing doesn't come back every year, I will start a petition.
Those are bold words. Very bold. Let's see. I don't even know what I'm eating, but it's very good.
It's so good.
Yeah, it's the spices for sure.
The cheese, the sauce.
Yeah, the cheese is very good.
Oh my gosh, I love it.
It really does come together. And so these are the pepper jack boudin rolls, and they are our favorite thing so far. But we got some buffalo over here.
This is the buffalo shrimp po' boy. Looks extremely hard to eat, so I'm kind of eating it in pieces. I like it. I do. It's not bad. But I think just eating it in that opposite order, I'm like, nothing compares to the pepper jack rolls. But it is good. It is really good. They have a lot of different types of po' boys, which is really exciting. They've got catfish, blackened chicken, blackened shrimp, like fried green tomato, so many options. So I think that's really cool.
We got some beignets as well, and perfect timing. This band is about to start up.
Thank you so much. Happy Mardi Gras to each and every one of you.
There you have it.
Another successful day, a very successful day.
It really was.
Yeah.
Loved Catapult Falls.
Solid.
My gosh, yeah, seriously, my favorite new ride in a long time.
It might be our favorite ride here, just because we're a little different. We like those
it's
family
definitely
rides.
my favorite ride here. I don't know about you saying that.
Well, I mean, what else would it be? I guess Wave Breaker?
Yeah, and you also love Tidal Surge. You love swings.
I do love Tidal. It's true. It's true. But I don't know, though. A launching log flume, an elevator lift. We didn't even talk about the drop. The drop was so good.
I know.
Yeah.
The whole thing's so smooth and quiet. It is
butter smooth.
Insane.
Yeah.
What a great ride. And honestly, the Mardi Gras Festival is really cool. I feel like the food options have stepped up so much.
Yeah, not that they're bad before, but they're definitely better.
No, I mean, it was never bad. SeaWorld food is always pretty good.
Yeah.
But it's just more options, more variety, several booths. It was really great.
It's a great day.
Yes.
And since the last time we were here, a bunch of new stuff. I mean, the tortoise exhibit.
Yes.
There were the carport things out in the parking lot.
Yeah.
Little touches, little booths. Everything around the park seemed like a little bit more
enhanced.
On. Yes, exactly.
Thank you guys so much for coming along with us. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to Ride or Dine, and we'll see you guys next time.